Hey guys, what's going on? It's Matt here, and I just wanted to put out an update on the whole process that I'm going through with the PPP that I applied through Bank of America. They gave me a call back after I had uploaded the documents they requested of me to upload onto Intralinks, which is the service that they're using to receive all the documents from the applicants. And make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss any new videos I'm going to be putting out. I'm going to be uploading more updates about the PPP application I made with Bank of America, plus some other new videos about business. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of those new videos. Now, like I said, I received a phone call from Bank of America after I had uploaded my documents to Intralinks. And this was it was probably about 3 or 4 days after I applied for the PPP through Bank of America. They sent me an email asking for me to upload some documents that they required. If you want to see how that process went, you can watch this video right up here. And that will just walk you through how I applied, what emails they sent me after I applied, and what they requested of me in terms of documents. So this is the phone call that I had with Bank of America. Hello?
Hello, this is Brandon with Bank of America. How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Doing well. I'm just following up here. The purpose of this call is to follow up and make sure there were some items that we had requested you to upload into that Intralinks file. We're just following up to make sure that that was completed.
Yes, I did. I uploaded 3 documents.
Okay.
It was the addendum. Yep, and then the other one that you guys required to the other Bank of America one. Yep, and then I had my income and statement in there.
Perfect. Okay, so just expect a call in the next few days to go over the next steps, as well as give you a better sight of when funding can occur. Our team will be reaching out. We're just following up. We're trying to push you along here since you've already completed that step.
Perfect. So in the next
2 business days. It should be ideally by Wednesday at the latest.
Okay, and then someone's going to reach out for what reason?
Should go over the next steps as well as give you a better sight of when funding can occur for the PPP loan.
Okay, perfect.
All right, well, you have a good day and stay safe, okay?
Thank you. You too. Have a good one.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Now, in that phone call, you hear me talking about how I uploaded the addendum and the other document that they requested of me, and I have that here. It's one of the documents is the addendum, and then the second one is the Bank of America loan amount template. And then with that, those 2 documents that I filled out and sent to them, I also sent my income, profit, loss statement for my business. And that was pretty much what they needed. Then, like you heard in the conversation, the Bank of America employee stated that I would be getting a phone call in probably the next 2 business days. Now, it hasn't been the 2 business days yet, so I haven't received that phone call from them to move on to the next steps on how the funding would work. I'm going to be releasing a video once that happens on how that goes. So that's pretty much it. That's the update I wanted to put out. If you liked the video, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any new videos that I'm going to be putting out about this application that I'm doing for the PPP that I'm doing with Bank of America, and any other videos that I put out in the next day. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.